Hello everyone, back with an IRS tax refund update. We are monitoring the latest developments this tax season as the latest batch of tax refunds have now been transmitted to banks nationwide, with reports coming in from taxpayers that those direct deposits are being received, so we're going to take a look at that. Meanwhile, tax refund delays continue for an estimated 9.5 million tax filers, including many who are not reporting any updates since filing, so we will recap on that and the IRS's decision to destroy data on 30 million tax filers. The latest developing news is that the May 18th batch of tax refunds have been issued and transmitted by the IRS to banks nationwide. Taxpayers who have accounts with TD Bank, Chime, Citi Bank, Credit Karma, and Chase Bank were among the first to confirm that those direct deposits have in fact reached their accounts as scheduled. While most who are part of this latest batch will receive those deposits the day of, some taxpayers can expect to wait an additional 1 to 2 business days to have that refund post to their accounts. If you're part of this latest batch and do not receive your refund by Monday, May 23rd, you may need to initiate a payment trace with the IRS to track the status of that refund. Now, an estimated 9.5 million taxpayers, including many of you, are still waiting on your tax refund, and in many cases, months after filing that 2021 tax return. Now, there are those who report no updates to their tax refund status results like seen here, while others are seeing specific codes appear on those tax transcripts in regards to their tax returns. So you may fall under one of these scenarios, all while there is a lack of official updates coming out of the IRS. Now, what we've seen with a high level of consistency, especially in recent weeks, is there are two specific reasons leading to these refund delays, and a number of these cases taxpayers may not be aware is the cause of that refund delay because they're not receiving notices they should have from the IRS. One of the biggest causes of refund delays continues to be the need for the IRS to complete wage verification. This is where they're indicating they are still waiting on your employers to submit their tax returns so they can be reconciled to what you have reported on your tax returns. Now, in a majority of cases, the employer has already submitted that information, but is yet to be processed. Now, there are still over 3 million unprocessed employer tax returns that are in part leading to these delays for some of you. For those who are part of this impacted group, they are supposed to receive that 60-day notice, also known as Letter 2645C, in the mail, as seen here. But again, in numerous cases, taxpayers are not reporting receiving the letter. If you're among this impacted group, one way to help move things along would be uploading your last 3 pay stubs, the W-2 you received from your employer, and a letter from your employer verifying earnings to the IRS via the IRS digital mail room. And the second common reason for refund delays continues to be the need to complete ID verification. A number of impacted taxpayers are not receiving this notice, which is the IRS letter 5071C in the mail, informing them to complete ID verification, which is oftentimes leading to confusion in regards to the delay. Now, with the IRS answering only roughly 20% of phone calls, taxpayers are reaching out to the IRS taxpayer advocate to see if this is the cause of their delay. And finally, recapping the audit by the Treasury Department, which revealed the IRS destroyed data for 30 million taxpayers last year. Now, this was paper material sent in by employers and banks, such as W-2 forms, reported destroyed due to the IRS's inability to process backlogs of paper tax returns. Now, without the data put into the system, it does open up the door for discrepancies, though the IRS now says no negative taxpayer consequences will result in this action. Let us know in the comment section below what problem you're currently experiencing, and if you've not received your refund as of yet, when exactly did you file your tax return? In the meantime, we will keep monitoring the situation for further developments, so make sure to click on that subscribe button below for future updates on this channel, and thanks for watching.